take your device and totally turn it off right now. Completely off, not airplane mode, completely off right now. Unplug.
On November 22nd, 2014, La Peña Cultural Center in Berkeley, California opened its doors to a new theatrical form. UnPlug is an interactive theater game using elements of dance, music, and improvisational comedy to create a multidisciplinary experience where the audience chooses the content. The purpose of UnPlug is to create a community setting enabling those present to turn off their digital devices. This concept was developed in the tradition of the Sabbath, where one day a week no work is to be done. The game itself was spawned as the brainchild of curator Joshua Walters, who is currently reading this voiceover. UnPlug was the result of an NPN creation fund gone haywire, where 3 living room house concerts were transformed into a full-scale production incorporating local talent, some veterans of the stage, and others who had never performed in public. The night was sold out, and as a result to the response, UnPlug has hit the road in a partnership with Reboot's National Day of Unplugging to become its own enrolling premiere. Please give your support with a pen, a penny, or a plug of your own. Word of mouth has been proven to be the most ultimate power of change. So, to feel the effect on our minds, emotions, and connection to the divine, unplug.
And I'm going to put my phone in a little cell phone sleeping bag. Because it's sleeping.